Welcome to my channel Book of Science. Today I am teaching about 8th class biology, reproduction in animals. In this chapter we can learn female reproductive system. Before going to this chapter we can learn a neat diagram. This is one pair of ovaries. This is the diagram of the female reproductive system. Here this oval shape, one pair or two ovaries. This is the ovaries, one pair of ovaries. So ovaries produce or releases egg. This is the egg. The egg entered into the tube. This tube is called fallopian tube or oviduct. Oviduct. Duct means just like tube. Duct means tube. So this is the one pair of ovaries and this is the egg. This duct is called fallopian tube or oviduct. This bag like structure, this is called uterus. This is called uterus and this part is called vagina. So this is the four main parts in the female reproductive system. One pair of ovaries, one pair of fallopian tubes and uterus and vagina. This is the four parts. So with this diagram we can learn the female reproductive system. The eggs are produced in the ovaries. Ovaries are two whitish oval shaped bodies lying within the lower half of the abdomen, one on either side of the uterus. So this is one pair of ovaries and it produces eggs and it is lower of the abdomen or either side of the uterus. So either side of the uterus, lower of the abdomen. It is one pair. It is whitish color and oval shaped. This is the description of the ovaries. Next one, ovary main function is produce eggs. Only one egg produced by an ovary alternatively every month. It means we know that ovaries produce one egg. If this month produce this right side ovary one egg, after the next month this ovary produce one egg. So alternatively it produces eggs. So this month this ovary, if this ovary is produced one egg, and next month this one, that next month this one produce eggs. So this is alternatively produce the eggs. Next one, every month or 28 days only one egg is released. Only one egg is released. If it fuses with the sperms, then the fertilization is completed. Where the fertilization is completed, this is the egg. The egg enters into fallopian tube. Whenever the sperm enters through the vagina and it travels in this way, and here this is the egg and it penetrates, the sperm penetrates and enters into the egg and it will forms a zygote. So the zygote enters and attached into the uterus wall, and after then the growth is completed in the uterus. So in next classes we can learn how it is occurs. Next, oviducts. This is the fallopian tube or oviduct. A pair of narrow, muscular, long ducts extend from each ovary to the upper part of the uterus. The mouth of oviducts is funnel shaped when the eggs enter through these ducts. So this is one pair of fallopian tubes or oviducts. The egg is released in the fallopian tube. So the entrance of the fallopian tube is funnel like shape. Uterus. Uterus is a hollow inverted pear shaped muscular organ found in the pelvic cavity between urinary bladder and the rectum. The embryo grows and develops in the uterus. So this is the inverse pear shaped part, it is called uterus. The embryo is developed in the uterus. Where it lies? It lies between urinary bladder and the rectum. Next, vagina. The uterus opens to the outside through a long muscular tube called vagina. It is situated between the rectum and urethra. This is the vagina. Through this vagina, the sperms enters. Vagina receives the male penis during copulation and it receives the sperms and serves as the birth canal. Urethral opening is seen above the vaginal opening in the region of the vulva. So this is the overall structure of the female reproduction system. So only one egg is formed for every month in the ovary, egg or ova. So this is the structure of the female reproductive system. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my channel.